In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Illustrator file to Microsoft Word file. To begin, you first need to have your Adobe Illustrator file saved as a PDF file. Once your Illustrator design has been saved in PDF format, you can use the Microsoft Word app to convert the PDF into an editable Word document. Open the Microsoft Word app on your computer. From the main screen, look for the option to open a document. Select the PDF file that you created from your Adobe Illustrator file. When you open the PDF in Microsoft Word, Word will display a message explaining that it will convert the PDF into an editable Word document. This happens because PDF files are designed primarily for viewing, while Word needs to convert the content into a format that can be edited. Review the message and continue with the conversion. Word will then process the PDF and open it as an editable document. Once the file opens, you should see the content from your original Illustrator design inside Microsoft Word. Depending on how the Illustrator file was created, some text, images, shapes, or other elements may look slightly different after the conversion. You can now edit the document directly in the Word app. You can select text, make changes, adjust the formatting, and work with the converted content just like you would with other Word documents. If the original Illustrator file contains a lot of graphics or has a complex layout, some parts of the design may not convert exactly as they appeared in Illustrator. So, take a moment to review the entire document after Word finishes converting it. Check the text, images, spacing, and overall layout to make sure everything looks the way you want. When you're satisfied with the converted document, you can save it as a Microsoft Word file. Use the Save or Save As option in Word, choose the location where you want to keep the document, and give the file an appropriate name. After saving, the document will be available as an editable Word file, allowing you to continue making changes directly in Microsoft Word. So, that's how you can convert an Adobe Illustrator file into a Microsoft Word file using the Word app. Simply save the Illustrator file as a PDF, open that PDF in Word, allow Word to convert it into an editable document, review the formatting, and then save your finished file as a Word document. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,